This machine is equipped with high-precision rack and guide rail, transmission mechanical structure, through the advanced numerical control system. The precision numerical control optical fiber laser cutting machine is a high-tech product integrating laser cutting machine, precision machinery, numerical control technology, etc. The machine has good dynamic performance, can achieve high cutting efficiency, and is equipped with a professional CNC system which is powerful, user-friendly, and easy to understand. It is mainly used for cutting and forming of carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel, spring steel, galvanized sheet, copper sheet, aluminum sheet, and other metal plates, and is the first choice for processing metal materials.